If biometric login saves time and adds security, here's how to turn it on. First of all, log into your Citi Mobile app and then go ahead and open your settings and then security. Next, enable Face ID and Fingerprint. Confirm using device authentication. Test by logging out once. Also, after logging out, if you are not able to log in, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then try to connect your internet to a stable one so the app operates smoothly. Head over to your app store, search for Citi Mobile app and update your app to the latest version if the biometrics option is not available. Tip: if it stops working, restart your phone. It's often a system glitch, and that's it. Subscribe.